We've got a nice fifth wheel trailer to be showing off today. It is a pre-owned one that we have, but it's still got lots of nice, great features, and it's going to be definitely priced accordingly, so a great deal for someone who wants to get up to a fifth wheel travel trailer, or just looking for something a little bit larger to travel around with their family with. This is a 2013 Cougar High Country, and it's the 291 RLS floor plan. This is a double slide out travel trailer. You've got a nice large slide out on this side for your living area, and you've got a slide out here for the master bedroom. You've got loads of storage both inside and out this trailer. It's really what these fifth wheels are designed for. It's nice and spacious on the inside and lots to get into, so let's get right into it. Starting with the outdoor storage areas, we'll talk about this. You've got a nice little compartment up here, access to all your terminals, your battery hookups, things like that, so very convenient. Walking around on this side, you've got a large pass-through storage area. You have plenty of options if you want to bring things along with you. It is deep, unobstructed, and you've got lots of room to store things. It's great. Plus you get this little area off to the side here for all of your city water connections, sewer tank flusher, battery disconnect. Everything like that is stored inside this trailer, so it's not going to get gross and dirty being on the exterior. We'll walk past the first slide out here, a second slide out rather, and go to the rear of the trailer. This is where you'll notice you've got your power supply here at the rear, a nice large almost full length window across the side here lets lots of natural light in. You do have a nice earthy darker floor plan design on the inside, so all of these windows really help out with that natural light. You've also got a ladder here which lets you have access to your roof easily, so you can easily keep up on maintenance and checks throughout the season. Walking on this side, you'll notice you've got a nice large awning, once again almost full length of the trailer, so you've got plenty of options when you're outside if it's a little rainy to be covered up or covered up from the sun. You'll notice as an aftermarket they do have this beautiful amber glowing LED strip, so it's going to give a really nice vibe when you're out there on a nice summer day evening. You're going to have a nice cast of light on the exterior. I'll walk up here just so you can see everything. This is the other side of your pass-through storage area, and mirroring on either sides of this unit are your 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other side. Stepping into the unit itself, this is where we'll show off the floor plan. This is a 29-foot floor plan, so you've got lots of room. Starting in the rear here, you've got these nice seats here right in the back corner. Easy if you just want to get out of the side. You can come in right from the door, sit down, put a drink down there. There's plenty of outlets you'll notice throughout this unit. 110 volt receptacle outlets, so you've got lots of options for charging extra devices. Another thing you'll notice throughout the unit is the storage I mentioned out above, or when we were outside. You've got ample storage throughout the trailer. It's nice, deep and boxy, just like a cupboard you'd have at your house. You're not having all these awkward angles of the trailer and pipes running through it. It is true storage. You've got this nice large window on the rear, and you get these nice wooden slat blinds for them, which match the rest of the interior. Flipping over to this side here, you've got a great little couch. This couch is obviously going to convert. You're going to have a full pull-out couch here into a bed rather, so you've got an extra spot to sleep some people. You've got some more storage throughout here, as well as just tons of windows. This entire slide out is pretty much comprised of windows which give you a lot of natural light. It's kind of an overcast day today, but still we're getting plenty of natural light in this trailer. These chairs are the same as the ones in this corner here, and this is a table with a leaf on the inside. You can pull this out and give yourself a little bit more room to have larger dinners. It's put in at the smaller side for convenience at the moment, plus with the slide coming in and out, but it definitely does give you more options for eating. Flipping over to the kitchen here, you've got tons of opportunities to cook. To start off, you've got a traditional microwave here. Lots of creative meals you can get done with that alone, let alone a 3-burner stovetop and an oven. You've got a nice split stainless steel sink here. You've got this hose attachment faucet, and if you were running low on countertop space, you've got these great covers here which not only kind of complete the whole countertop look, but give you plenty of counter space when you need it. Discussing storage, you've got a Lazy Susan up above here, accessible from both sides, which is convenient. Sometimes with trailers you get nice big storage areas, but you gotta dig to get something at the back. I like this one because you can access it from either side, as well as you have access to it right from the door. So if you want to keep personal belongings here, like wallets, keys, sunglasses, it's easy to grab without trekking through the entire trailer. Blended in with all of this wood decaling would be this gas electric fridge freezer combo. You've got plenty of room to store. You've got more storage above and full pantries here on either side. If you're a person who likes to cook, likes to bring lots of things with you and feel like you've got a home on wheels, this is a perfect option for you. This is going to be your main entertainment area, so you obviously have, looks like they've got a little bit of an entertainment system set up there, but you can do something more formal, hook up a TV, get a full entertainment system, and lots of spots to store board games, DVDs, any extra stuff like that. Moving to the nose of the fifth wheel, I'll show off here, it blends in quite well, but you do have access to little compartments there. That's access to your passenger storage area. So like I mentioned before, sometimes you get lots of storage, but you got to dig through everything to get to it. This trailer has lots of little compartments like that, where you're not digging through all of your belongings just to access something at the back. This is going to be the master bedroom. So you've got a shower here on this side. This is going to be your shower. You've got some built-in shelves there, as well as a skylight. Separate altogether from the shower, you have a washroom on its own, which is nice. You have this nice large open floor plan, but the toilet isn't really something you want in an open floor plan. So to have its own little spot of its own is a great design. And then you've got a medicine cabinet here, storage in behind that. You've got a nice mirror that you can do your makeup in the morning or refresh right at the sink. And then this is the master bed and the first part of the slide out. So you do have a slide out here. This is your main bed. Continuing the story of storage, the high country gives you plenty of room. You've got nice shelves in here, a proper wardrobe hanger, so not living out of a suitcase, as well as another little entertainment area here. You can pull this out if you have a larger TV, have that sitting on there, but it's easy enough to stow away. And nice deep drawers. If you are looking for a nice large home on wheels, but with that nice pre-owned price, this Cougar is the perfect opportunity for you to explore this summer with your family and still bring everything along with you. If you want to see everything else this great trailer has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Lestool.